Hackathon Sniper, an AI-driven project, effortlessly discovers hackathons, analyzes them, and updates your Notion database. Start by cloning the repo and customizing the .env file with your environment variables. The .env file needs various API keys. Apply for them first. Once that's done, get the program running on your local machine. Fire up the Meetin CP servers to start hunting for hackathon events. Proceed with the evaluation. Automatically, the information gets updated in your Notion database. Details like URLs, hackathon names, and relevant descriptions are extracted. If it's solo-friendly or offers cash prizes, that info goes into your notes too. Check out the description and URL. That's it. Once the program stops, it will report discovering a total of 120 events, with 80 qualifying ones highlighted. That's all. Thanks for watching.